Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clone apps on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to use two apps at the same time on the iPhone, then how you can clone that app or dual apps you can use. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So for this, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do next is you have simply open the App Store app, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of that app. For example, if you want to clone the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, then there is option available that you can simply add clone of that app by using the web version of that app. For example, if you have a Safari, then you can simply click on the Safari and login page. Or for example, if you want to use the Instagram, then you can simply search for the login of Instagram app, and here you can simply log in into your Instagram account. And after that, you can simply create a shortcut for that app, and after that, that will be available as your clone app as a web page of that app. But if you do not want to use that web version of that app, then you can simply open the App Store here, and you can simply search for the app that can provide the facility to use the dual apps. So but I will recommend you to do not use that kind of app, because sometimes these kind of apps are very dangerous for your phone, because they steal your data. So you have to make sure about that. So if you want to use the dual apps or clone apps, then you can simply use these kind of methods. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.